Magistrate Court sitting in Akure, the Ondo State capital, has sentenced a 36-year-old woman, Opeyemi Omoyemi, to 4.5 years in jail for inflicting heavy body injuries on a 12-year-old house help identified as Joel Sunday. Mrs. Omoyemi was arraigned before a magistrate court on a 5-count of attempted murder, child abuse, violence, among others. The defendant was said to have used a stick and a razor blade to inflict multiple injuries on the body of the house help, who she accused of stealing pieces of meat from the pot. Delivering his judgment, Chief Magistrate Olufunmilayo Edwin sentenced the defendant to 3.5 years on the first count of grievous harm she inflicted on the victim. The defendant was also sentenced to 1 year imprisonment on count 5. The defendant at the last sitting had pleaded guilty to 3 of the charges levied against her.
Defendant, in person of Mrs. Opeyemi, has been sentenced to 3.5 years on the first count, which is grievous harm that she inflicted harm on Joel Sunday in the viral video that we have seen before today. Then for the second one, which is count 5, that is 1 year imprisonment. The implication of this is that the sentence of the court will run, and then she has to still come back to court on April 13th for the trial of the other count 3.
I think the magistrate has not heard. The magistrate is fair, going by what has happened, but we do the needful at the appropriate time.
Very pleased with with the outcome of the court today, because it's so dehumanizing that a child of 12-year-old will have to go through that kind of pain. And today, Ondo State government judiciary has told us that it is no longer acceptable for anybody to brutalize or dehumanize any child. If you do such, the long arm of the law is waiting for you. So we are pleased that this is going to serve as deterrent to others.